Hey, good morning guys. Today is Monday and I'm on my way to work. Medyo na late na ako kasi Isabel was also on the phone. We were or tumawag siya kay Mipo at saka nag-usap sila, and I feel so happy and feel so like relaxed when I hear Isabel's voice. Isabel is Tati is Mipo's niece, and I've seen her from since she's a little baby girl, and now she's 6 years old. Super smart kid. I decided to like make video. This is like I was like watching YouTube videos last night about how YouTubers grow their channel, and since I already have 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate that to all you guys who subscribe, I'm gonna show you my daily life here in Canada. There's no really extraordinary things, but it's just my regular life. So from home I walk to the office. It's gonna take me around 10 minutes, and then I'm working as a network engineer in an EOC enterprise operations center. So we manage billion-dollar companies in the US, Canada, UK, Singapore, actually a lot of companies. And what I do is we monitor their network, their applications, and all those essential ONs when they sobrang mahangin po dito ngayon, and it's actually -3 ang temperature, but because of the wind it feels like -8. So yan po yung temperature ngayon. Yeah, so back to the topic. That strong wind is actually like, it hurts your face when it pag nakatama siya sa yung muka, talagang masakit. Kaya I have to wear gloves here. I'm actually wearing 4 layers of cloth right now and an external jacket. Malapit na ako sa office, at saka it's currently 7:25. Magsa-start yung work ko is 7:30. So malapit na akong may late. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, I'll take you sa mga ganap today, and yeah, just to like, I really appreciate this is my way of saying thank you to all of you who subscribe to my channel. So I will in return show you my daily routine, my daily life here in Canada, in St. John, New Brunswick. And yeah, I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Bye.
Two hours later. One eternity later.
Okay, so pauwi na ako. Pauwi na ako, and let's look around. There's a good art there too. Okay, so walking back home now. It was a busy day. Ganyan naman palagi sa office. Basically every day, that's like a repeated cycle. It is a boring cycle actually, but the good thing is that in my job, I experience different challenges every day, different issues. So it's pretty exciting. Like server earlier, I experienced like an AS storage down, server down, and all the stuff that I haven't had a chance of working before. So medyo yun yung nag-exciting. But with regard to my daily life here, it's basically like this. I walk in the morning and then go to the office, do my job in the office, same routine, and then every 4 p.m. pauwi na naman, same routine din. Yung lalakaran ko same pa rin. So yeah, yan lang. I would like to share something, so you guys would have at least a take on this video. Okay, so yeah, so guys, share ko lang if there's something that you really like to do, or yung pangarap nyo talaga, yung you feel it from the bottom of your heart and you really want to do it, pero iniisip nyo na parang imposible, or parang wala kayong resources to achieve that dream. Just believe on it, just raise it up to God, pray for it. Ako din before I got here, I just really thought that going to Canada is just very impossible for me. I don't have any relatives here, I don't have any family here, I don't have a job offer here when I got here, but I really want to be here, to start off life here. So what I did was I just raised it up all up to God. He provided the right people, the resources, and everything to make this dream come true. So I'm just really happy thinking about how I've been in the past. Look where I am now. I'm living the dream. This is the dream that I dreamed, and I'm living it now. I'm living it with full of thanksgiving, full of gratefulness to all the people that helped me, and of course to our Lord God Jesus Christ. So that is it for me, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I mean, I'm now in my apartment. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.